Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be crocheting these cute mini rolled cakes. They are super easy to make and beginner friendly. For this project you will need any color of yarn to make the first layer, white yarn to make the white layer and the whipped cream, red yarn for the cherry, 4mm crochet hook, scissors, and finally yarn needle. To make a slip knot, insert your hook and draw the thread like this, twist it, then yarn over and grab the loop like this, then pull through the loop. To crochet the colored layer, start by chaining 40. These are 40 chains in total. To make a double crochet, yarn over, then insert your hook into the third stitch from your chain. Then yarn over again and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Now yarn over again and pull through 2. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Repeat the same process until the end of the round. Before moving to the next round, chain 2, then turn your work. To start the second round, yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch right here. Then yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over again and pull through 2. Now go ahead and keep doing the same thing until the end of the round. Make sure to insert your hook into the V shape of the chain. To make your last double crochet, insert your hook into the stitch right here. Now chain 1. Now cut the yarn, but it should be longer than the first piece that we left in the beginning. You might ask why we should leave this long piece. Well, the purpose of this long piece is to connect the 2 layers together. However, you will need to weave in the short one. Let's go and weave in the short one. To weave in, you should go under the stitches just like this. To crochet the white layer, you'll be making the same exact thing as the colored layer, but instead of chaining 40, you'll be chaining 27. After that, go ahead and weave in both sides. To make the whipped cream, go ahead and make a magic circle. This is how I like to do my magic circle. After twisting the yarn like that, grab your crochet hook, then pull thread like this, twist it, then yarn over and pull through. Now chain 2, 1, 2. Since this counts as the first half double crochet, we'll be continuing with making 9 half double crochets. You should have the total of 10 half double crochets. To make half double crochet, yarn over, go under the circle, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Keep going and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Now after you finish all your half double crochets, just grab the short piece of yarn to tighten up the circle. To close the magic ring, join with a slip stitch by inserting your hook into the first double crochet. Now chain 1, then cut the yarn. What you'll need to do right now is to insert your hook inside that hole, in the middle, just like this. Then grab the yarn and pull through the hole. To make the cherry, start by making a slip knot. What we're going to do exactly in this part is to make a bubble stitch. To make this bubble stitch, start by chaining 3. Now you'll need to skip the first stitch and work into the second stitch from the chain. Next, go ahead and yarn over, then insert your hook into the second stitch, then yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. After that, you'll be left with only 2 loops on your hook. Let's do this again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. You'll be left with 3 loops on your hook. Go ahead and repeat the same process until you have 5 loops on your hook. As you can see, now you have a total of 5 loops. After reaching 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Now make a slip stitch into the last stitch from the chain. Congratulations, you've just made the bubble stitch. Now yarn over and pull through. Then cut the yarn and it should be a little bit longer. Now we'll be going through one stitch like this. Then you can grab both sides and tie a knot. Now in this part, we're going to join everything together. You can place the white layer in the beginning, but I'm going to count until 5 stitches and place the white layer. So here, if you're going to do it this way, just put it after 5 stitches. Make sure it's placed properly. Then start folding the two pieces together. Go ahead and roll it like that. And ta-da! This is our rolled cake. Once you finish folding up the cake, you'll be using this tail to sew the two parts together. Now what you're going to do is to connect the cherry to the whipped cream. Before doing this, start by threading the two tails of the cherry. Next, insert your yarn inside the hole of the whipped cream. You should have the three tails together. What you're going to do right now is to thread all of them. After that, go ahead and join the cherry and whipped cream into the cake. Make sure to insert your needle into the middle of the cake. After that, make double or triple knots, then cut the rest of the yarn. And this is how our cake should look like. To hide the tail of the whipped cream, you can go into the inside of the cake like this. And this is how you make those cute mini rolled cakes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you next tutorial. Bye.